These top 5 upcoming movies official trailer are getting viral on YouTube. On number 5, we have Black Phone 2. Trailer is trending worldwide.
Hello, Finney.
Number 4, we have Marvel Studio Fantastic Four.
Whatever life throws at us, we'll face it together.
Johnny, now!
As a family.
Today, we are your defenders. The four of us will face the danger, and we will protect you.
Is this guy good?
On number 3, we have Superman, which is breaking the internet.
Today, the Secretary of Defense said he was going to look into your actions. That's funny?
My actions? I stopped a war.
Maybe.
Not maybe. I did.
In effect, you illegally entered a country.
This is how you're gonna be?
I'm not the one being interviewed, Superman. Did you consult with the president?
No.
You seemingly acting as a representative of
I
the
wasn't
United States
representing
will
anybody
cause more
except for me.
problems around the world.
And doing good.
I would question myself in the same situation and consider the consequences.
People were going to die. Hey, buddy. Eyes up here.
On number 2, we have Jurassic World Rebirth.
Please open the door for me.
On the island we're headed to, 24 species have survived there alone.
The theme park owners did experimental work, leaving only the worst ones here.
Don't see that every day or ever.
Let's go.
On number 1, we have the most awaited movie Conjuring last night.
Don't touch anything. Everything you see in here is either haunted, cursed, or been used in some sort of ritualistic practice. Nothing's a toy. Not even the toys.
How many cases you guys had?
Cases.
My name is Ed Warren, here with my wife Lorraine.
Maybe 1,000.
Every case is different. Every family's different.
Once we start, there's no going back. Anything can happen. And most likely anything will.